Welcome to this Vipassana meditation. This meditation is inspired by the teachings of Venerable Bhante Pannakara. So, first of all, find a comfortable position, sit comfortably. Now, gently close your eyes, take a slow deep breath in, and slowly breath out. Again, breath in and breath out. Now allow your body to relax naturally. No need to force anything. Just let yourself settle into this moment. Vipassana means to see clearly, to observe reality exactly as it is. Not through judgment, not through fear, but through quiet awareness. And today we are simply observing, right? Now bring your attention to your natural breath. Feel the air entering your nose. Feel the air leaving your body. Do not control the breath. Just notice it. Just observe it. Stay here for a moment. Simply focus on your breathing. Just focus. The mind may wander. Thoughts may appear. This is a natural. Don't become frustrated and don't chase thoughts. In Vipassana, we don't stop thoughts. We simply observe them and gently return to awareness. Now question is, how do we actually observe thoughts? So for observing, we need to act like a witness, alright? Don't analyze your thought. Don't push them away. Don't follow the story. Become a witness. A witness doesn't get caught in the content. They notice the texture of the thought. Is it a picture, a sentence, a feeling in the body? It's a two-step practice. Number one, notice a thought is present, just acknowledge it. Number two, notice that you are noticing it. That's second layer. Awareness watching awareness. That's the witness, right? Then gently without any fuss, return to the breath. No fighting, no judging, just watching and coming back. That's the whole art. That's the mindfulness. In Pali, we say anapansati, right? Now, slowly move your awareness through the body. Bring awareness to the top of the head. Observe any sensation there. Now gently move down to the forehead, the eyes, the cheeks, the jaw. Simply observe without any judgment. Move your awareness to the neck, the shoulders, the arms, the hands. Notice whatever is present. If there is tension, observe it calmly. If there is comfort, observe it calmly. Observing is important, right? Just observe. Now bring awareness to the chest. Feel your heartbeat. Just feel. Now move awareness to the stomach, the back, the hips, the legs, the feet. Observe the entire body sitting here. Simply observe. Now silently repeat within yourself, I observe without judgment. I observe without judgment. I allow thoughts to come and go. I allow thoughts to come and go. I rest in awareness. I rest in awareness. Peace exists within me. Peace exists within me. Keep breathing, keep observing, and keep calming down. Keep calming down. Keep calming down. Keep observing. Keep breathing and keep calming down. Keep calming down. Stay focused. Stay focused. Now spend some time in this silence and try to meditate on your own. I'll join you after some time. Stay focused. Thank you. Carry this awareness into your daily life. Subscribe for more peace and healing. I'll see you in the next video. May you be well, be happy, and be peaceful. Namo Buddhaya.